was wondering, can companies process my data without taking my permission as DPDP Act says the consent is required? No, there is certain exception to it. So what the law says, under DPDP Act, as per section 4, a person may process data after taking your consent for certain legitimate use. This legitimate use can act as an exception and your data can be processed without consent in certain cases. So first thing is, there should be a consent. If there is no consent, then there should be a certain legitimate use. So what is certain legitimate use? As per section 7 of the DPDP Act, companies can process your data without asking you in this situation when you voluntarily provide your data and don't object to its use. Like, वो use कर रहे हैं, मैं कुछ बोलूँगा नहीं. Then you have like, listen. So as per my understanding, it's like an implied consent. So next is for government services like issuing passports, driving license, Aadhaar और welfare scheme. जहाँ भी personal data होगा वो use कर पाएंगे. ताकि government scheme, welfare scheme सभी लोगों के पास जाए. To comply with legal obligations such as tax filings or law enforcement request, ED जो खटखटा की जो आ जाती है for court orders और legal claim. जब summons issue हो रहे हैं, जब कोई जाके आपके ऊपर या आप किसी और के ऊपर केस डाल रहे हो तो वहाँ पर personal data process हो रही है, उसकी consent नहीं ली गई है वहाँ पर. During medical emergencies, public health crisis, during disaster or public emergencies, इन तीनों conditions में the first thing is to protect your health, to protect your life. They will not come up with, hey buddy, you give your consent. No. The first important thing is to save your life. That is certain legitimate use. And next is for employment related purposes. Like आपने job file कर दी, job लग गई, you have got employed, and the next step, the HR, the next step the company do is background verification. Whatever the personal data you have given, they will verify whether it is right or wrong. It means they are processing your data, and it's not mandatory to take your consent. So while the DPDP Act protects your privacy, there are situations where your data can be used without asking you first. So guys, want to know more about your data rights? Hit subscribe and stay updated on India's data protection laws and other laws on this Law Gardener.